You ready, Rosie? Okay. All right. We're gonna make strawberry banana milkshakes today with kefir. Now, I made my own kefir. You're certainly welcome to do that. It's a very easy thing to do. However, if you do buy it from the store, make sure you get whole milk kefir. Sometimes it can be very hard to find, but it does exist in many cases. So, we got our blender here. Mine has little cup measurements on the side, so that's kind of what I go by to keep things consistent. So I pour it in up to the 2-cup line. That's how much kefir we want. Then we're going to do our strawberries. We have frozen strawberries here. I just kind of dump. Probably got about 3/4 cup. And banana chunks. When my bananas get a little bit old, I break them up into about inch pieces or so. We're gonna do 3. You want a banana? Here you go. All right, we're gonna do 3 banana pieces in our milkshake. Keep our hands off here. Now, honey is the next part. This is one of your favorites, Rosie. I do probably gotta be close to like 2 tablespoons of honey. Gotta sweeten that sour kefir. And strawberries really aren't that sweet either. You can use other fruits. Raspberries, blueberries, you know, whatever your jam is, whatever's happening that day. A little bit of salt. Just a pinch, really. Vanilla, I just do a splash. Like that. Like 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. And then this is completely optional, but I have an egg here. I always use farm fresh eggs, and I wash the outside really good with soap and water beforehand. So we're deciding to add a little more protein to our milkshake today. All right. We're good to go. Put the lid on, put it on our blender. If your blender has a frozen drink setting, smoothie setting, something like that, turn that on for a minute probably. You'll be able to see that it'll be nice and smooth, no chunks left. All right, so let's taste it. I always do a taste test because sometimes it needs to be sweeter, other times it's just perfect. Well, you got all the honey off of that, didn't you? Yeah, good stuff. So good, we keep drinking it, huh? Yum. So I love these tall jars here. We usually drink out of them. This makes enough for probably 3 jars worth. Rosie and I usually go through 2 at one sitting, and then we save the other one for Keegan for lunch the next day or anything like that. Or if we get a hankering for some later and we don't want to get all the stuff out. So that is how we make milkshakes in our home, and it's all very simple and it's so yummy delicious. I hope you have fun with it. And I dedicate this to Griffin, our nephew who has allergies, and when we were visiting them in Alabama in the spring, he had such bad allergies, he didn't really have an appetite for much of anything. And I made these milkshakes, and he asked for more. He was like, Mantha, Auntie Mantha, will you make me a milkshake? So, it's so simple, and I just want to give everybody the tools to utilize it in any way that it fits into their lives. So, thank you so much. Love, love. Aloha. we have a drink?